Yes children, today I will tell you how to insert table in MS Word. First go to the insert and click on table. Insert table. Now we have to mention how many columns and rows we want in our table. I want 4 columns and 4 rows in my table. Now we can write like this. You can apply all formatting features on your text. So I am aligning my text in the center, bold, italics, and I am also changing the color of my text like this. Now if you want to merge two columns, first you will have to select the columns, right mouse click and merge cells. By this way you can merge your cells, and I am pressing Ctrl Z for undo. Now I want to split my cell into different columns, then click on the cell, right mouse click, split cells. Now it will divide the number of columns to the particular column. I want to divide my active cell into 3 columns. Then I am clicking like this. I am again pressing Ctrl Z for undo. Now if you want to insert one row just above or below the current active position, then right mouse click, insert, insert row above, row below from the current position. If I click insert row above, then row will insert just above the current position. And now right mouse click, insert. I want to insert column, then insert column to the left or right. I want in the left, then the column will insert in the left position. Now if I click right mouse click on this button, then table property will show. Here we have vertical alignment, top, center, bottom. We can align our text from this window. And now I am going to table properties. Table. This is the property of the table. Row, column, cell. Okay. Now at present I am not using these options. Now border. We can use these types of border in our table. So now table design, table layout. Table layout. These options are the same which we have used. Now I am designing my table by using this option. You can design your table like this. You can apply any type of formatting effect to your table. Now I am applying this. So you can apply different types of table formats in your table. Right mouse click. We can also change the direction of the text of the cell from this option, text direction. You can give the different types of direction to your text, but first you will have to select your text. Select your text and right mouse click, text direction. Then our text will display like this. So students, by using this method you can create different types of tables in MS Word. Thank you.